We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram 5500 chassis cab. Stock number is 28348T. This is a tradesman model that we've put the chrome package on. Gives you the chrome grille, chrome bumper, and we've upgraded the wheels to the aluminum chrome wheels. Got tow hooks in the front, got the trailer tow mirrors on it. This is equipped with a 6.7 Cummins diesel and the Ison transmission. Along with the chrome package, you get the chrome body molding on it. And this is the chassis. Okay, so we can take this chassis, we can put service bodies like we've got out front here. I could put a flatbed on this, a stake bed. Got this one that we haven't decided what to do with yet, so if you're looking for a crew cab chassis, I've got one here. On the inside, got it equipped with the heavy-duty work-grade vinyl floor. Of course, we've got cruise control, power windows and locks, tilt steering, trailer brake control. We put additional auxiliary switches in it. Does have the 40-20-40 split front seat, so you could put 3 people in the front, 3 in the back if you had a big crew. Plenty of space in the back. Got a fold-up seat, gives you some storage there. Like I said, there's different applications as far as what we could do on the upfit on this. I've got various upfitters that I use. Again, just some of the highlights on this vehicle. It does have the 6.7 Cummins diesel, Ison transmission. I do have this backup camera kit with it, so whatever we put on this vehicle, we can put the backup camera on it. Got a good selection of commercial vehicles right now. I've got 5 or 6 5500s with 11-foot service bodies on the ground. I've got cargo vans, I've got a dump truck, and I've also got some 3500 work trucks in the Laramie, as well as the tradesman. So if you're looking to get a commercial vehicle, give Steve a call here at Sherry Chrysler, located in Piqua, Ohio. This stock number is 28348T. For more information, just give us a call.